So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover this amazing lab. So first of all, click on start lab, and if you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now wait for the lab to start. Now open the cloud console incognito window. Okay, now sometimes what happens, you may be prompted to enter the username and password. You can check the lab instruction for it. Now here it's signing in automatically. So here basically we have to click on I understand, and let's move ahead. Now from the navigation menu, we have to open the Vertex AI Workbench. So how will open? You can see from the navigation menu, that is, now basically from here you have to open the Vertex AI like this and click on the Workbench. Now the page will load and take some time to open. Now here basically you have to click on enable the API, and it will take some time, so wait for it. So finally the enable API has been enabled. Now we have to create an instance. So for that, you can see we are in user manage notebook section. Click on the instance. Now just do one thing, click on create new. Now for the name, check the lab instruction, come to task number 1. From name, lab workbench, copy the name, paste over here. Now what you need to do, you need to select the zone. So once you have selected the zone, it may be different in the alphabetical letters. Always check the lab instruction for it and then click on create. Now it will take some time, so wait for it. Basically it takes 2 to 3 minutes, so you need to wait for it, and then only we'll move forward to the next step. So now the main thing is that the workbench is being created. Now sometimes what happens, you may get unnecessary error, then you have to just reset the notebook. I will tell you in the upcoming part of this video. So now finally the notebook is ready. Now what you have to do, sometimes what happens that first of all let's open the Jupyter Lab. Now if you face any issue like the Jupyter Lab is not responding, you can come back here and just open the Jupyter Lab again. Now many times files are not visible, so you have to just select like this and click on the reset button. Then the files will be available. Basically many of you are facing previously this kind of issue, so that's why I have told in this video. Now currently this is working fine. So wait for the Jupyter Lab to open. It may take few minutes to open, so we need to wait for it. Now here, first of all, we have to just do one thing. Open Python 3 notebook. Click on it. Now a new notebook will be created. Now basically we have to just clone the repo. After that we'll modify the file. So just paste it and click on this play button. Now it will take some time to download the file, so wait for it. And in case you haven't liked the video and subscribed the channel, do subscribe it and like the video too. Finally, it has been done. Now what we have to do, we have to open this folder like this, courses, and find the machine learning. Here you can see, here it is. Click on it. Now we have to click on this deep dive 2. Now from here, which file we have to open? Let me see. So we have to open the introduction to TensorFlow. So just here click on it like this. Now here click on labs, and from here what is the file name? Preprocessing. So just open this one. You don't have to open this one. First of all, in the description box of this video, first of all open a new launcher and click on the terminal. Now in the description box of this video, I've shared one GitHub repo. We have to just use it only. So just scroll down here, copy the second one and just paste over here and hit enter. Now it will basically update the file which we have to modify as per this lab instruction, and then we will be able to complete the remaining task. So if you try to open, sometimes what happens, let's first of all select the kernel to TensorFlow 211. Now sometimes what happens, the file is not properly updated. So I will tell you in such cases what you have to do. You have to do one thing, wait for at least 1 minute or even 30 to 40 seconds till the updates are populated on the file. Now basically what we need to do, we need to first of all close this file, click on discard. Now again open the file. So now once you have clicked on open file, you can cross verify if you want. Now click on this pip install and just run this play button. We have to just restart the kernel also in this lab. So you need to wait till the task is completed for the once. So now click on kernel and restart kernel. Now make sure to click on this second shell and wait for the kernel status to get idle. Once the kernel status is idle, we will run all the shells together and we will complete this lab definitely. And for other labs of this particular course, I have created a playlist you can check down below. Now click on run, selected cells and all below. Now if you have watched the video, you will be able to complete this lab. Now wait for the kernel status to get idle, and once it's done, we will move forward to the lab instructions and check the score for all the tasks. So let's wait. So this is the lab which we are doing. Here what we need to do, one thing. If you want to check the score, you can check the score also. Now basically we have done with the task, so we will definitely check the score. So that's all how we completed the lab. And if you want other labs also, you can check the playlist in the description or just go to the playlist section. That's all for today. Do like the video and subscribe.